How to fix MetaTrader 5 account login authorization failed issue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a MetaTrader 5 login authorization failed issue that many users are facing. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to check is whether your login details are correct. This includes your account number, password, and the server you are connecting to. Open the MetaTrader 5 app and go to the File menu, then select Login to Trade account. Now enter your account number, password, and make sure you've selected the correct server that your broker uses. Make sure there are no typos in your password and that you are connecting to the correct server, as brokers often have different servers based on their regions or platforms. Sometimes the issue might not be with your login details or server at all. It could be a connection problem. MetaTrader 5 requires a stable and fast internet connection to log in properly. Simply check your internet connection and make sure it's very strong. If not, you can try switching to mobile data. Another possible reason for the authorization failed error is an issue with MetaTrader 5 itself or your broker's system. Sometimes the platform might experience temporary downtime or server issues. Check your browser's website or contact the customer support to see if there are any ongoing issues or maintenance work affecting the MetaTrader 5 platform. Another important step is to make sure you're using the latest version of MetaTrader 5. And that's it. These are some of the several ways to fix the MetaTrader 5 login authorization failed issue.